on my feet. I bought the clothes I'm wearing. I bought the rock I'm rocking. I bought it 'cause I depend on me.
What's up, my gangers? I hope y'all been cool. I hope y'all been living life, doing what y'all do best. In today's video, we're about to make some bracelets. I want to make all the beads that I have. I want to make bracelets out of them. That way I can buy me more beads. I want to buy more beads, and the only way I'm going to be able to buy more beads is if I get rid of the beads that I already have. So I'm about to make all of these bracelets, and then yeah, so things that you're absolutely going to need. You're absolutely going to need some string. You're absolutely going to need some beads, and you're absolutely going to need some scissors. Everything else that I use is optional, but it does help making sure that your bracelets come out A1. I'm so sorry, that was so rude of me. So I just made one and it fucking popped, so that kind of pissed me off. But string, needle, beads, and then usually I put super glue on the end, but I have no idea where my super glue is, so we've been thug dizzling it out, and they've been cool. So, but I would recommend adding super glue on your knot, and I'll show you what I mean. So the first thing you're going to want to do is measure out your string. You want to make sure that you have extra string just so that you have room to tie your knots and maneuver around if need be. You also want to make sure that you're double stringing your string, so whenever you get the length that you want, you just want to make sure that you fold it over and get that same length equally with another piece, and then cut it. From there, you're going to tie 3 knots at the end. Those knots are just going to ensure that your beads stay in place when you're moving around and threading the beads onto your needle. Here you're going to want to make sure that you are pre-stretching your string, just so that it already has a little stretch to it, and when you go to pull it, or when a customer goes to put it on their arm, it's not breaking, you know, because there is no tension there. Once you get your knot and you have pre-stretched your string, you're now gonna start beating up your bracelets. You want to make sure that if you're following a pattern, you're going according to your pattern. If not, then you're just gonna beat them up however you see fit. Once you're done stringing up your beads, you're then gonna want to tie it. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. Typically, I try to tie it 2 regular knots, and then I do a 3rd knot by having it loop around twice before I pull, and then I do another regular knot. And then this is what I meant by putting the glue on the knot. Once I cut those 2 pieces of string, the knot that forms, I would normally put a dot of glue on it just to make sure that it's secured in place and doesn't move or anything, and you know, just give it that extra push of security. And then from there, I'm just gonna repeat everything until I have completed all of my bracelets. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little baby. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't
no. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging warm with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging warm with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. Now don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me for. Wake me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. You tugging warm with my heart. Didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. Now don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change, let me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, when Kiki was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, favorite. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always inside. Good living on my mind, hold me on my feet. just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin' too. Not like you, so maybe I look like you. Maybe we ain't so different. Maybe I be tripping. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder.
She see money, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week.
So I didn't realize that would take that long. And we still have this many beads left, but I'm thinking I'm gonna use these and put them with some of these, like after I finish making them all. Like I literally only got through one carton now. And let's see how many beads we made.
We made a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
So I made 23 bracelets in like an hour and 30 minutes, maybe like 2 hours, really. Definitely about ran my string dead. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Comment down below, let me know which color was your favorites. I think I'm gonna do these in another video. So let me know if y'all want a video of that, or if y'all just want to see the final product of when I'm done. But yeah, comment down below which one is y'all favorite. I think I'm really feeling like the pink and the blue. They're like the green blue, like that's really calling my name. That's so cute. Maybe because it got a little purple up in there too. But then I'm also feeling like the pink and red vibes. Like that's so cute. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Share with your friends. Say hi to my little polar bear. I know you did not just try to lick me in the mouth. In front of all of these people. In front of all of these people. Why would you do that? All right, let me give you some attention. See y'all later. Love you. Bye.
I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your